Okay, this is Bluebird All American. Okay, this is Bluebird All American bus 730. Bluebird All American. One emergency exits by emergency doors. All the windows have. Bluebird All American big buses. They have air brakes. By Rialto Unified School District, so we can build a new school bus for route 5 and different route number. So we can build a new school bus by big buses for route 5. By bus 725, bus 730, bus 723, and bus 720. By Bluebird All American T3re bus, wheel engine bus by Bluebird All American by Rialto Unified School District. This is for route 5 by this one bus. Okay, this is the Bluebird bus, Bluebird All American by this one bus. Okay, see you later. Bye.